talagang lagi ko sinasabi, ang actually, dalawa ni Martin. Kaya yung hiwalay na couple, na nakita ko, very friendly siya isa't isa. Ano sekreto yung dalawa?
Well, Manay, that took quite a while, no? Ilang taon rin yan. So it's a lot of, syempre, kailangan muna mahilom ang mga tama ba hilom?
Yes.
Ang pinagdaanan. And nung na-realize ko na parang okay na, no? Na nag-heal na nga. Nung nag-decide naman ako to be friends, serious naman talaga ako doon, Manay. I opted to be friends. And why? Because of Robin and Ram. I felt that we will have a better relationship kung magiging okay kami at magiging friends kami. Yung mga ibang bagay kasi hindi na yun mababalik. So kailangan i-accept na lang and we have to move forward. So now that medyo matagal-tagal na rin kaming friends, di ba? I think, and I also have to give it to Martin, I always say it works both ways. Respect comes, respect is a big factor, no? So we want to respect each other as parents and as friends, and of course as partners also in performing. So I think that's why nagiging successful kami in that aspect. And you can't deny naman na talaga namang yung chemistry naman talaga namin ni Martin is undeniable. Ako rin minsan nagugulat na hindi kami nag-uusap, pero alam mo, madami kaming mga bagay-bagay na naiisip. Because I think Martin and I are really meant to be partners on stage.
Anyway, ang dami nang nangyari sa buhay mo. But if there's one thing na sobra ko talagang kinabibiliban sa'yo, yung you were able to mend, tama ba yung term ko? Your brokenness. Hindi lang siguro not only with your ex-husband na si Martin, because you're the best of friends, ang ganda-ganda ng relasyon nyo, but even sa mga taong naging dahilan ng paghihiwalay ninyo, how did you and how were you able to make it? Kasi kakaiba, Pops, I mean, not everybody can do it.
Again, that is part of the acceptance. And kasi kung accept mo, tapos kalahati lang naman pala, hindi pa rin yun mag-work, diba? When you say you are okay, you have to be 100% okay with the situation. Kasi kung konting bagay lang i-accept mo, babalik ka ulit sa beginning, may pain na naman yon. You're gonna go through a lot of things again. So, that is part of the acceptance. And I'm happy. Some people question me, bakit daw ganon? Ang point ko naman is, it is my choice, it is by choice, and it is my choice. Because, syempre, I also want my kids to enjoy their brother, and gusto ko kasi lumaki rin sila as a family. And for me kasi mas less, ayoko kasi ng galit. Ayoko na may galit sa katawan. Hindi ako nagagalit, ha. Siyempre nagagalit rin ako. Pero yung galit kasi sa akin only lasts for a while. Tapos pag medyo na-realize ko na, yun pala yun, natatanggal rin naman yung galit ko, diba? So, again, it is really just part of accepting the bigger picture, which is, we want, not just me, we want everyone to be all right and harmonious. I think the better word is harmony nga.